Hello friends, so in this video we are going to show you the procedure for engine oil replacement of Vespa. So we have this vehicle in our workshop today, and now we are going to change the engine oil. Keep watching, and if you have any queries or doubts, please write in the comment section below. So we have this drain bolt here for this vehicle. So by using 24mm ring spanner, so we are going to loosen the drain bolt, and then we will drain the entire engine oil. So this drain bolt has the O-ring. If you see here, it always comes with the O-ring. So in case if it is required, or if you see any leakage or seepage, it is recommended to replace this O-ring. So oil level capacity as per manufacturer is 700 ml, and we are going to pour 20W40 engine oil from Supergen. So that's the oil filler cap. So here also it is written on this filler cap 700. So once you drain the engine oil, always remember you remove this stainer and clean it with petrol, because what happens is when the oil circulates, there are a lot of floating particles inside the engine. They may settle down over here, so it is recommended to clean this, and you don't need to replace it every time, but you can just clean it with the help of petrol, and you can fix this again. So you can see it is placed here. Like this. So just have to pull it, and you can clean it now. This thing. Similarly, we are also cleaning the drain bolt, especially the threadings. You can see now. Once we clean this, we are going to put it back. You can see it's clean now. We don't need to replace it. So it is fixed now. And now we are putting the drain bolt. Yes, so it is done. Now we are going to pour the engine oil, that is 20W40 Super Gen, and the quantity is, like I said, 700 ml. Here is the new engine oil from Super Gen 20W40 API SJ and JASO MA2. Here is the measuring can. We will ensure that we don't exceed 700 ml. We put it on a flat surface and then check the quantity. This one. And now slowly we are pouring it. That's it. So we are done with the engine oil replacement. We'll put the oil strainer cap and we are good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or comments, please write in the comment section below. Thank you.